is your notebook and pen, Tom?
Wait. Cần.
Can you please get your notebook and pen, Tom?
Wait, teacher, wait.
Okay. Oh, wait. Wait
Wait.
a minute.
Oh,
We're
wait.
going to find the
Wait a
black
minute.
one.
Why?
Black is good.
Why? That is good.
Oh.
Oh, where is your notebook and pen, Harry?
Wait.
Okay, here. Only here the board. Where is your notebook and pen? Okay, very good. How about Tom? Today, we will going to talk about this. Are you familiar with this one, everyone?
Exponent.
Ah,
Exponent.
exponent. Are you familiar with that?
No.
No? So tonight, you will going to know what is exponent. Okay? Ready, everyone? Are you ready, Tom?
Yes.
How about Harry?
Yes.
Yes, I
Yes, I
will
Yes,
going
I
to give.
can.
Huh? Yes, I can.
can do.
I am. Everyone, I will going to give you an example. For example, here. Can you see that?
What?
Can you see that?
What?
This one, everyone. Can you see the small number there? What is the small
Yes.
number?
Nó có ba nhỏ ở trên là thế
Tom,
nào?
Harry, what is the small number?
2x exponent.
What is the small number? Number is?
It's free.
3.
3.
Am I right, Tom? What is the small number?
3.
Okay. Everyone, this is what you called exponent. The small number at the top of the other number is what you called exponent. We will not going to put like this only. It's not exponent. We need a base. We need other number. We need big number for us to put the small number. Okay? Okay, Tom, Harry, what do you call
Yeah.
that small number? That
Small
is
number.
Exponent.
Okay, Tom, what is that again?
Exponent.
Exponent. All right. Everyone, this big number here, this is what you call the base. Okay, base. Can you say that to teacher? Base.
Yeah.
Base. Can you please
Base.
write that first for teacher? Can you write that first for teacher?
Exponent.
Yes.
Base. Actually.
Okay. Finish, Tom? Did you write that for
No.
teacher? I will going to teach you how to read that later.
I finish.
Okay. Always remember that is exponent. This is how you will going to read this one. I will going to erase this one first. For example, teacher have here 2 and then small, which is the exponent 3, right? This is how you will going to read that. This one is 2 raised
2 raised
to 3. That's how you will going to read it,
2
everyone.
raised to 3.
Yes. Again, Harry, Tom.
Yes.
2
Okay.
raised to 3.
Very good. But not only that, everyone. We can
Tom,
Hmm?
can you hear teacher? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Oops. Wait a minute, because my face here is not, it's blocked. I will going to fix my camera first. Always remember, everyone, that's how you will going to read it. 2 raised to 3, okay?
Okay.
This one. This is the next one. 2. You can also read this as 2 to the power. To the power of 3. You got it? 2 to the power of 3. Or, this one is 2 cube. This one, everyone, this is what you call cube when you read that. Okay? Cube. Alright? Get it? 2 cube.
Yes.
Oh, please write that again first for teacher and I will fix my camera, okay?
Okay.
I'm finished. Teacher.
Because
Okay, I fixed my camera already. Are you finished, Tom? Harry, writing this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, can you read that to teacher? How can you read that? 2
Um, 2
to,
raised to 3.
how about
2,
Tom?
2, 3.
Okay, or other way to read that? 2
2 to the
2
power.
to the power of 3.
next one?
2 cube.
Okay, that's how you read that.
3 cube.
How about this one, everyone? For example, I have here, I will going to remove this one.
No.
Oh, what is that? Everyone,
Me.
can you try Harry and Tom? Harry first.
3 raised to 2.
Okay,
3
how about,
to the
oh,
power of 2. 3 cube.
are you sure? How about Tom? Good job for that, Harry. How about Tom?
3 to the power of 2.
Yes, but
3 cube.
everyone, this is not cube. Cube is only the 3, the small 3. This one, everyone, is squared. Okay? So this one is 3 squared. All right? You got it?
Okay.
Tom and Harry, if it is 2, you will going to say squared. If it is 3, cube. All right?
Okay.
Okay, everyone? Please write it on your
Yeah.
notebook again for you not to forget the squared. Go, everybody. Tell the teacher if you're finished. Because we will going to have activity. You will just only choose everyone later of how you will going to spell that. All right, later.
Square. Up. Finish.
Okay, we will wait for Tom.
Where are you live?
Hmm?
Teacher. Where are you live?
I live in the Philippines. Can you say this one to teacher? Where do you live? Again?
Sure. I finished.
Okay, good job. Harry, can you say where do you live?
Where do you live?
That's how you ask that. Teacher live in the Philippines, okay? Next one.
In a house in Philippines.
Yes.
What do you live? What do
Everyone,
you
we will
Don't
going to
you
have an
do?
activity. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, guess how you read this. How you read this. Please write it on your notebook, okay? Write it on your notebook, everyone. All right?
That.
Number 1.
Wait.
Well,
This. One. I will read all of this.
Only 1 to 5, everyone. Please write there how can you read that. I will going to give you 5 minutes only. Go, everyone, in your notebook.
why
Teacher.
so
Tom?
fast?
Oh, it's that fast? 5 minutes? Okay.
10 minutes.
No, only 7 minutes. All right?
Teacher.
Hmm?
What is the small 5?
That's only, we will not going to use cube or squared. We will just only use the 2. All right? Like 3 to the power of 5 or 3 raised to 5, like that. We don't have cube or squared with that. Only 2 and 3. All right?
Okay.
Tom, you will just pick one on how to read that. All right? One answer only, okay? Only one answer.
Only one answer. 3 raised to 5.
That's how you do it. Okay.
Okay, and I'm come to number 2.
Yes. I'm so sorry. Sometimes the board is very small. Don't mind that board.
Raised to 2. 3. And 3. And raised to 3. 4. 4, 10. Yes. Raised to 6. 5. 7. 4. 7. 9.
Nhanh ấy. Từ từ thôi.
I finish.
We will wait for it.
I'm say 3 raised to 5.
Later,
5
later,
plus 2.
later.
Okay.
We will wait for Tom. Next time, everyone, I will going to teach you how to answer that because that thing we can also answer that. Are you finished, Tom?
No.
Okay, we will wait for you. Go, Tom. You can do it.
How's your weekend, teacher?
What is it?
How's your weekend?
Oh, my weekend is very, very fun.
Don't go to play anyway.
I will going to other places tomorrow.
Tomorrow and
Yes, Saturday and Sunday. What did you
and
do? What you will
and
do during weekend, Hardy? Do you have plans?
what?
Do you have plans during weekend?
No. I will do more my homework English
Okay, all right, that's also
and
good.
I will play in
But
nights of um
don't forget to rest and play, right? Because it's weekend, there's no class.
yes, but in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In
Ah,
Saturday we have one class.
you have one class, 1 hour?
And in night of Sunday I have one class.
Oh, okay, all right. I
I'm
understand it
studying
now.
full English in the week.
All right, okay. But after that, you can play, right?
Yes. But
All
in
right.
the but in night of Sunday I don't have homework, but my father have homework.
Your father have work during summer?
What?
Yes.
Oh, you're finished, Tom. Okay, very good. We will going to answer Harry and Tom. Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
You will going to answer it together. What is number 1? Go,
Uh,
everyone.
three
Me.
rice,
Me.
three rice, 5.
What about the other? Good job for that, Harry and Tom. Tom,
Three.
what is your answer for number 1?
Rise. 2, 3. Rise 5. Rise 2, 2.
What?
Okay. 5 raised to 2 for number 2. Good job. How about Harry, number 3?
Number 3 is 8. 8 raised to 3.
Okay. As what Tom said a while ago, 5 squared.
And
Okay. And also 8.
rise to 6.
8 cubed, right? Good job. 10 raised to 6 is number 4. How about Harry for number 5?
7 raised to 4.
Okay, good job, everyone. Don't forget this one, everyone. This is what you call, the small number is what you call X.
Exponent.
What do you call that, Tom and Harry?
Exponent.
Exponent. Okay. Tom, did you remember the exponent?
Yes.
Okay, good job, everyone. So that's all for tonight. I hope I will see you next week, okay? Thank you so much,
Baby,
everyone. And enjoy your weekend, all right? Goodbye,
Wait.
everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, KBD. Có bảo bạn Harry nhé.
Chào bạn Tom nha.